8963. That's the code. Yes.
No, the name.
The name, I'm not
Who
sure.
did the booking? Do you remember?
I'm going to stay with a friend in the city. Oh, perfect.
No, it's fine.
Thank you.
yourself a seat in the blue chair there.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Right, what we call track line or tension alopecia. Did you have your hair pulled in a tight It's usually, I work in England quite a lot, and in London in particular, we have a lot of black.
Your accent.
Yeah, exactly.
Didn't sound Irish.
No, definitely not. Absolutely not Irish. No, I'm from just outside Birmingham.
I used to live in Birmingham.
Did you really?
How
long were you there?
Maybe about 3 years.
Yeah. So what made you come over here?
My husband.
Oh, okay. Where are you originally?
I'm Nigerian.
Oh, so you went from Nigeria to Birmingham and then back over here.
Yeah.
That's how it looks.
Yeah.
So those are all your lovely big thick hairs there.
Yeah.
And then if we put it onto the camera at the front,
I don't know.
you see, and then so that's where we are going into the hairline, and then right at the front here where I can just see some of the hairs. You see how thin they are, but you have still, in terms of numbers, of course, you don't have all of them. But you know, you've still got a few. You've still got a few. That's why I think it's trackline alopecia or tension alopecia. And then you go back, look how lovely and thick they are there.
Yeah.
You see, so yeah.
I should have tried my luck. €5 to win a car. Bumping into people's front. I didn't even think, yeah, it's very nice. No. Do not bother.
You've reached the final chapter of your journey through Wonderlights at Fota House and Gardens, a place where history, nature, and magic have come together to create an unforgettable winter's night. My name is Willow, and I'm the resident talking tree. Yes, you heard right. Trees can talk. If you listen carefully, you might even hear us whispering in the wind. Thank you for visiting Wonderlight and for being part of this magical winter adventure. As your journey comes to an end, remember, it is in the darkness that light truly comes to life. Go now and walk by night, walk by wonderlight.